Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about Weight Watchers and sharing 5 tips on how to lose 50 pounds. Tip #1. Start by setting realistic goals. Losing 50 pounds is a significant amount of weight to shed, so break it down into smaller goals to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Set a goal to lose 10 pounds in the first month, then adjust accordingly. Tip #2. Track your progress using the Weight Watchers app. The app will help you stay on track by providing a point system to monitor your food intake, as well as track your physical activity. Tip #3. Make healthy food choices. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into your diet, and limit processed and high-fat foods. Make sure to stay within your daily point range to avoid overeating. Tip #4. Move your body. Incorporating physical activity into your routine can help you lose weight and improve your overall health. Whether it's walking, jogging, or hitting the gym, make sure to get moving every day. Tip #5. Surround yourself with support. Joining a Weight Watchers group or finding a workout buddy can help keep you motivated and accountable on your weight loss journey. Check for link in description if you are overweight and want to lose weight fast. Remember, losing 50 pounds takes time and effort, but with these tips, you'll be well on your way to reaching your goal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content.